So I made homemade dog treats, and this is the stuff. It's got like sardines and avocado and coconut oil and goat milk and yogurt and blueberries and apple cider vinegar and stuff, peanut butter. It's good for the dog. She likes it, whatever. I'm gonna tell Jalen we're gonna try this. I'm just gonna tell her it's a smoothie. She's not gonna know. Yeah, I guess this is what it is. Oh, don't look at my double chin. Hey,
What?
try this with me. It's like a smoothie. Ready?
It's not even slipping out of the thing.
Is it?
It is. It smells.
It's got sardines in it. It's a fish. You like it?
I thought it was peanut butter.
There's peanut butter in there. It's the stuff for Pepper's dog treats. Her homemade dog treats. It's all edible. It's good for you. Oh well, it's coconut oil and stuff. Good for your skin. Cool.